Ebola is looking for every opportunity to defeat that country. The Almighty Allah has decided today. ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله وحده قلبه والله سميع عليم. Nobody, Allah has said it. So, the country will accept what happened to you. So let me tell you, today a history has taken place. 31st January 2021. The end of January, Ebola defeated the country on the south soil of Kenya. Over 1,000 spectators are watching. Members of Kudu today are celebrating and jubilating. That is justice. That is justice. So, ladies and gentlemen, another 10 tenors, important, very crucial, and devastating. Western is taking place between Ilele of